Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and I am out in the forest today. I have decided to bring you guys along on something that I love to do, which is mountain biking. I am up in the mountains of North Carolina. I'm about an hour and a half, 2 hours away from some really incredible trails. And today I'm out on Rocky Knob, which is a mountain biking park near Boone. My parents live up in the mountains, and so I'm up seeing them and figured I'd get a ride in. So I haven't shared with you guys, aside from a couple pictures, a little tour of my bike. I'll show you that while I'm resting because I just got to the top of the mountain, which is, I think, about 800 or 900 feet elevation gain. I might be blowing that out of proportion. It feels like a million. And in metric, I think that's like 10 meters. I don't know. I'm not good with the metric system. So let me show you guys my bike, and then I'm gonna bring you guys along. I brought my GoPro today to bring you down the hill and let you guys see what the mountain biking parks are like here in North Carolina. So about a year ago, I got back into mountain biking. I did this a lot when I was in college. Bikes were a little bit different then. I started back with a Giant Stance 29, which is a 29-inch wheel, kind of an entry-level full suspension bike. And then within about a year, I was ready to kind of graduate back up to a more pro-level bike. Not that I am a professional, but I was reaching the limits of that bike. So I sold that one and bought myself a Trek Fuel EX8. This is the newest generation of it, in a really pretty penny flake orange. I think it's gonna go really well with the Mini. But a quick rundown of the bike. There's a 36 fork on the front, big chonker shocks. Really happy with that. It's the Fox shocks up in the front. Then in the rear, I've got a Fox shocks with the external reservoir. That's the Float X. Been pretty good. I've bottomed out maybe once or twice, but overall seems to be dialed in now with the pressure. Aside from that, 29-inch wheels on the front and the back. I'm part of the fad. And then I've got an Slab saddle. Really happy with this. Anyone who's looking for a saddle that might need to support some, health in the rear, this is a really good one. One-up carbon handlebars with the 35 in the middle, and then I have a little quad lock mount. I know people love to hate on that, but I like having my phone right up there. I know that if I crashed, could break, but who cares? So the other thing is I have a sweet Fidlock water bottle. So it's off right now, but let me show you guys this. I picked this up recently from a recommendation from a friend, but there's no bottle cage, and when you ready, you just pop it on. Bottle's locked. When you want to drink, twist, comes right off. Really, really cool. Cannot recommend this enough. And then a little internal storage thing. I don't have anything there right now, but that's pretty much the bike. Like it. It's been wonderful. Takes everything I do to it, which is I really ride that pretty hard. We are going to be going down a different trail. This is the top of Rocky Knob, and now this black forest is truly a double black diamond. For those of you who are looking for a challenge, it's a good one to come to. Jumbo Shrimp, I haven't been down that one, but I think it's kind of like adjacent to the black forest. But what we're going to be doing is New Boss. This comes down here. It's a single black diamond. It's a little bit closer to my skill level and will prevent me from hurting myself. So I hope you guys like the idea of doing something a little bit different. This is going to be fun. Not really teaching you guys anything. Let's just go for a ride and have some fun. See you guys at the bottom. Yowza. Wow, almost lost it there. Wrong line. Oh, that would have been cool. Oh. Yeah, boy. No. Yeah. Oh, yes. Fuck yeah. Holy fuck. Oh, that was cool. Okay, let's keep going. wheel doing that. Ooh, not great. All right, so that wraps up kind of the little sampling of Rocky Knob. This is hardly the whole trail. There are so many fun trails of all skill levels, so you don't have to go super advanced, you don't have to go super easy, but they make you work for it. Climbing this place is a lot of work, but it is worth it. Definitely recommend coming out here if you haven't been out here before. So thanks for tuning into this. I know it's a little off the beaten path, but hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video.